Hey there, I just want to do a quick video to kind of review these plastic training pots that I got on Amazon. It's a set of 8. If I remember correctly, they are about 6 inches this direction and about 8 or 9 inches this direction. And overall, I'd say they are 2.5 to 3 inches in height. The base has built-in drainage holes with covers over them, and then they have individual wiring holes all the way around the outside, so those are pretty neat that way. Because they're plastic, they're not prone to cracking or breaking very easily, and so I like that about them. These, if I were to critique anything, it's these raised areas in the corners. They're structural, so I'm pretty sure they need to be there just to keep everything all from falling apart. But they're not my favorite aspect of these pots. I can't remember, I've purchased similar ones in the past, and I can't remember if those had them, but they were relatively inexpensive and a good little pot for some things that I would consider to be starter material. That's pretty much all I have at this point anyway, so good little buy. I will put a link in the description for those on Amazon in case you're interested in checking them out. Thanks for watching.